Welcome to MS Welding TV. My name's Bazza, and today we're going to be having a look at a brand new machine from Fronius, the brand new Transsteel 2200 multi-process, multi-voltage welding machine. This brand new machine from Fronius comes as a ready to weld package. All you need is the material that you're going to weld and the consumables and your gas and yourself, the mains input, and you're ready to go. Out of the box, it comes with a quick start guide. It comes with a HD earth cable. This is a fantastic earth clamp for a machine of this size. It comes with the very own Fronius branded MIG torch, which is something quite extraordinary. It's very HD. It's very industrial. It's not a toy. And it comes with the primary mains cable. And you can buy multiples of the cables and you can put different plugs on. Because it's a multi-voltage machine, you can run it on 230 or 110. And just plugs into the backs, just like a nitric connector. Plugs in, and we're ready to go.
Setup of the machine is extremely easy. Plug in your mains cable. Remember, the machine is multi-voltage, 110 or 230 volts AC input. Connect your gas. Two inputs are available, one for TIG and one for MIG, meaning switchover of processors is extremely fast and easy. Inside you have room for a 5 kg reel and the small spool and gun size reels too. The torch, as previously mentioned, is Fronius, so it has its own style quick connector. Just push it all the way in and nip it up tight. Here is a synergy selection of material type: steel, stainless steel, etc. Here we change the display functions from material thickness, amps or meters a minute wire feed speed. Master knob for up and down of chosen selection. Here we select wire diameter for the chosen synergy line. Then we have arc length correction, voltage, dynamic, also known as inductance. Gas selection for selected material. Once parameters are set, it's extremely easy to use the one knob control to set the welding parameter. This changes from stitch, TIG, manual and synergic. This is the required trigger operation and also enables hot start and slope down in MIG. Other settings are activated by entering the higher level menus by pressing button 1 and button 2 together. Navigate to the second menu and repeat to access even higher level functions.
What I quickly want to show you is how incredibly clean the material is. This isn't a pulse MIG. This is just Synergic MIG mag from Fronius, and I've not really tweaked the settings. We've put that welding about 153 amps. But this is the best bit, right? This is the best bit. Gone through my little power adapter. I'm running off a 13 amp plug on 1mm wire, which is pretty outstanding. All you need to do if you want to turn this into an MMA machine is put it into the MMA mode, which is quite simple if I can remember how to do it. All you need to do is press that button there, it goes to stick, which then puts you into constant current mode. My voltage is staying the same because that's kind of like, that's roughly what my welding voltage will be, but you're not really bothered about that when you stick welding. I'm going to put a tongue in, I'm going to put 2.5 rod, and I set it to about 75-76 amps. Pretty much ready to go. Always make sure that you put your cables into the correct polarity. I've seen people put them in the wrong way every now and again. It causes all kinds of problems. Again, everything off a 13 amp 230 volt plug. This could be your perfect companion if you're a service engineer and you need to go out to site. If you're occasionally going to different places but you want an industrial grade machine, don't forget in MMA this can weld at 180 amps. In lift TIG it's 230 amps, and in MIG 220 amps. That's enough to weld 1.2 aluminium wire, 1mm stainless steel and steel wire. I think you've got everything you need in one package. It comes as a full out of the box machine, so it comes complete with your torch, some consumables to get you started, some tips, the tip adapter, the liner to be fitted into the torch, comes with your earth cable. The only thing that you need to supply or get your supplier to sell you is an electrode holder if you want to do MMA straight out of the box, and make sure you've got a regulator. This particular one doesn't come with a regulator, but it's a multi-voltage, multi-process machine from Fronius. You can weld chromium nickel, stainless steel, you can weld koozie, you can weld aluminium, rutile wire, metal cord and self-shielded. All those synergy lines are there, built in, ready to go. No fancy displays to work around, just a case of pressing the buttons for the synergy line that you want, setting the gas that you're currently welding with and that's specific for that job, and your material wire thickness. That's all you need to do. Very, very simple. You're not really going to need to go into the other controls either, as it just does what it needs to do.
So, my first and lasting impressions of the Fronius Transsteel T200 are that it's an incredible machine at this price point, and in a current market that seems to be full of cheaper machines that are purely competing on a price, then for a mains efficient machine, dual voltage, ready to weld out of the box from a company like Fronius, I think it's worth a serious look at. Is it the best on the market? All I can say is I have an old EWM Pico MiG 180 running on an automated machine that we built at MS Welding, and it's running all day, 5 days a week. It's never missed a weld and it's never let the customer down. My name's Bazza, this is MS Welding TV, and I will see you next time.